Hey my friends, this is Kalam here. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status on Android. So first, Android, then click on Update. Again, click on Add Status. Then you can select any photo. Example purpose this one. Then click on this music option. Now you can select any song. Wow, this is all the popular song. So if I click on Enter, so if you want to select any others, just find out your favorite song, then you can charge here as well. So I select first this option, just click on enter, and again click on done, then again click on the enter. Wow, it's already processing. So this is the method how you can add music to WhatsApp status on Android. This is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.